Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I hope say obia ho eye. And the many abo article be so ewo social media. Now I would like to read the contents of the article so that yeni aye betre ya adwen ewo so. Na nini na afa eye say somewhere around last week. Eye IPAC meeting easy womo eye with stakeholders. NDC for a boycotting meeting no. Easy aba bonten den sem ya ba betudwa say say NDC for reasoning na womo e de boycott IPAC meeting no. It is unjustified. Obronika say bibi eye unjustified na che say wu ninjina so. Che say ade enti a wo ka say meeting no wo mba ninjina so because ade no say ne yemu ene yepe. Wonso wo yobi a wo ka say ade no yan ne ye. Nti se wo ka say yan ne ye na ye meeting say sisi a no yepe ekwan a next time yan yes a mistake ni bioma e wo say wo ba meeting ase na wo be kan wa adwen. Na se wo tinechi na wo se enu hu nti yan ne ye nti wo mba meeting no na ade no so ne ye mu ne yepe de a na che se de nti a wo boycott meeting no kra no e ade a eningina so. That's what the EC are trying to tell us. But we'll read the article and we'll go into it. Ms. Remo, and that your first time wa subscribe and click the notification bell on so. We understand latest news be about wonsa ebeka. We have a new YouTube channel. Link no ewo comment box ni mu. Ms. Remo, click so na subscribe be my and check ye be sure say you post videos ewo ho na wo bia ehu de echo. Now let's go straight into the article. Article no it was a reportage from TV3. TV3 for and I say womo ASR report no and na womo edeba. So we'll quickly go into it and then we'll see and then we'll share our thoughts. Say the easy no all cano sebe onjina so no easy nankasa no onjina so ana the all cano enjina so bi enim. Or say the Electoral Commission has described as unjustified the decision by the main opposition National Democratic Congress to boycott a recent inter-party advisory committee meeting to review the 2020 election. Into you can IPAC. I think that today is even the first time I'm getting to know the full meaning for the abbreviation IPAC. Debia you can IPAC meeting, but I'm saying today is the first time I'm knowing it. So, it stands for Inter-Party Advisory Committee. Into IPAC, Inter-Party Advisory Committee. Now, what's it? The party said in a statement it failed to attend the meeting on April 21st because of the EC's lack of candor, EC's lack of candor, odious duplicity, and open bias. Yeni ayakai, I say don't get your letter or trouble, no. Was say EC no the entire one committee no a lack of candor, yaka lack of candor, and I say ne cre say be wuni and no hunting the yemba meeting no odious duplicity and open bias. I see the statement signed by General Secretary Johnson Asiedun Ketia noted that bias displayed by the Jimensa-led Electoral Commission in favor of the MPP in the conduct of the 2020 general elections informed their decision. We all know this. I said, but the Electoral Commission has described the claims as unfounded. As a director of training at the EC, Michael Buedu, told 3news.com the EC has no problem with any party. The IPAC invitation was sent to all the parties. If we had deliberately left out the NDC, then there would have been a problem. Now, there were more can I say IPAC there. All the political parties all the stakeholders can Inti imagine say nanka EC no. Kwa yes IPAC meeting no nanka one free NDC. Nanka Ghana hell will break loose. Nkofo beka say see ye kan Inti say NDC angasa yes o amba no nso e wo say ye na ye kaseti ase de omo ye na nye because EC no woni obi afa won support obi a asemo a wo kan ni o say he maintained if on the back of the invitation one party decides not to show up, it does not suggest the EC has a problem with them. Maybe they have a problem with us. The NDC in that statement on the boycott of IPAC also noted it would review its relationship with the commission following its position that the current leadership of the EC supervised the manipulation of the 2020 elections and cannot lead any discussions on same with the parties. Now, Assembly, but Michael Buedu said the appropriate thing for the NDC to do is to approach the commission with their grievances. The EC is available. The NDC can approach and let us have a conversation. We have no problem at all. We will have these interactions with whoever needs our attention. He said the EC operates an open door policy which allows us to listen to all parties and their misgivings on any matter. So we are still available when the NDC approaches. We would listen to them. He told 3 News after a 3-day high-level post-election review workshop organized by Kodeo in Adan. Now listen to what the EC is saying. A top personality at the EC. The EC is available. That is the statement I want you guys to understand. The EC is available. And in as much as it has become Adia AC, we will always refer to it. You can't come now and tell me personally, Ameteha Melody said the EC is available. When Ghanaians were calling on your, in quote, availability, did you tell us or show us that you were available? When we were all calling for you to be cross-examined so we know your side of the story, you didn't avail yourself. Why is it that you are now telling me you are available? After the Supreme Court petition. Supreme Court petition is here. We are afraid all the catch them say we are available. Dabi. Me NDC ni kra na sebe me ase don keta na me NDC fo kra na kan sem mo kan sisi an kra no na kan mebo egu. And that is the truth. Me, I will just tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. It's here for wo kon akon. Uni obi me mete ha me am mete he. Me pe if I say sa contact sports ne pan. Wo hwe sa boxing ni MMA, martial art, mixed martial art, ne kickboxing na my favorite sport. Ntokwa fight, ntokwa sport na ya bunipa my favorite sport. Me amete he, my favorite sport no me pepa. Yam fa ne say o kwa akon, wa wo tie me wo kwa akon. Na embra ye fro se bra. Ya she date se bra na beko na ye na ye nji wundi say yes, ho odin no wamba. Ntokwa ne twemu wie ye no. Afiansa waba abonten na wo ye dede wonim se ntokwa no o emba so biom ye mfre ne biom afiansa waba abonten ye dede se me de me ya available obi a wo se ne ho ye den bia wo mbra wonim se ntokwa na atwemu awie o embra na ye se bra na beko no wamba mba mbeko ntokwa ne twemu wie afi na wo se wo ya available. Will people trust in you? Will people even listen to you? Obi ani wa wo beji wedi because embra na eho hia se wo be try and say wo ye available to account to the people. You didn't. Wamba. It's here for. Asema America no odi amebo akatem se meboa. Me see EC no statement a Mr. Michael Buedu, the director of training at the EC, waka niano. I want to believe say he's the director of training. Not just say EC wo mo ye adwuma ni na sa pin sheet nsensem na ono ye na ono no training omo se munye ni se. No problem. Dia meme kano eni o tie. Dia meme kanini. Etie for. The EC is available. So any statement now I cannot. That is what I want to address. The EC is available. Share nukrene nyame nim. Unim say EC workshop now wo mo ye no. One person, I've forgotten Omirefi. I was following the workshop. Workshop now, sa Kodeo. Now I'm going to Adan. I was following the workshop. Now nipe bi kan assembly etre EC no me de pan. Now someone nipa ko ne kai ni was say unim. The truth of the matter is that EC wanya there with omo communicate, omo anya there with their community. Even that the EC denied it, but all the man can. But the different story, bro. Once European Union, or more say election say no. European Union sounds so be kasai. a womo e condemn sam nyama bia esi ye e wo election ni mu a isi na ba abonten a isi no e ka say no de won accept but me disaster na be ba later but here hwe nipa ko na asem a wo ka kire isi ne say ne kra ne nyame anim sa batuo we a yeto ye e ya ade bia isi no ufa normal Ghanaian and no matter even if the person is an MPP person obetra say Charlie enyama bia nko yie e was say easy no working towards it, especially communication. Send you out of nowhere you declare results we normal ba bonten aba be post on social media say o result na you declare no mistake or ho into new one ni pa ko ne ka say sisia no the EC should have a media committee so that at least they will be taken seriously because ne kan nyame nim sa nyama na wo mo ye no say nkrofo say wo mo kan ne kra entwa ye. It is just that yes we are in party we are in power into no oh master yen forget it but ne kan nyame nim even if like a MPP for any of this idea ne ye o mo kra na aka nye o mo de, and that is the truth. Listen, you are telling me you are available. It is not after your availability. You are free for your availability when show amba be tretre nsem wan tre Ghana for right now no we all know say na Ghana for EC electoral commission need 80% ah obi abema chance sisi na so atia ba 50%. People don't believe in the EC. Imagine men sansi krumende na hwe public enemy 1 obehu nkrofo ebedi na tem why. And I said, naturally, for MPNSMO, a major factor how they didn't show they were available to answer to questions at the Supreme Court. You can't come and tell me you are available now. Maybe they don't know. Montreal Major comment box anymore. I know a lot of people will say I'm biased, but deep inside your heart, they make an say you're trying.